Hello and welcome to Aryabhata Ashram. I am Mahitosh Maheep, founder faculty for Mathematics Optional. I have been associated with civil services teaching for a very long time, and I have earnestly tried my best to produce toppers. In this interview, we are coming up with this series called as Daily Answer Writing Practice for Mathematics Optional. And here is the question for you. Dy by dx is equal to 2x e to the power x by y upon y square into 1 plus e to the power x by y square plus 2 times x square e to the power x by y whole square. So, this is numerator, this is denominator. So, this is asked in your civil services examination 2012. This is a question of differential equation. Now, it is very clear that it is first order, first degree. But my question is it homogeneous? What is the litmus test of homogeneity? So, if I take this as a function f of xy, 2xy, and if I scale by a factor lambda, let me see whether it turns out to be a homogeneous or not. Plus 2x square e to the power x by y a whole square. So, if I put f of lambda x lambda y, so this is 2 lambda x lambda y and this is x by y upon lambda square y square 1 plus e x by y ka lambda square, because lambda lambda will get cancelled, 2 lambda square x square e to the power x by y ka whole square. So, what I see here that my lambdas get cancelled, 1 plus e to the power x by y ka whole square plus x square e to the power x by y ka whole square. Now, this can be written as lambda to the power 0 f of x y. So, here it is homogeneous and degree is 0. So, degree what I got is 0. I do not need to mention it, but I am trying to see it from the linkage point of linear algebra also, where I find out whether it is homogeneous or not. So, it is indeed homogeneous. Okay. So, let us solve this question and see. So, in homogeneous we are told either to put y is equal to Vx. So, here I have two choices, y is equal to Vx. I can also put x is equal to Vy. So, let me try with this, for because x by y will render me V. So, if x is equal to Vy, so I can write dx by dy is equal to v plus y dv by dy. So, what is dx by dy? Dx by dy, if I invert it, it is nothing but y square into 1 plus e to the power x by y ka whole square plus 2x square e to the power x by y ka whole square. Now, this might look cumbersome, but this will ease out your life. So, if I put this is v plus y dv by dy, and y square is written as it is, 1 plus e to the power x by y would be written as what? It can be written as v. It can be written as v square plus 2, this is v square y square ev square upon 2 into vy into y. Now, you see what get cancelled is your y square. So, I have 1 plus ev square plus 2 v square ev square upon 2v ev. So, if I do this y dv by dy, this is 1 plus ev square plus 2v square ev square minus 2v square ev upon 2v EV. Now you see here there is perhaps a mistake over here, that is x by y over here. So there is a corrigendum. So you can very well find out this mistake. Sometime UPSC will also have a printing mistake. So I have just corrected. So this is your two v square. So this and this get cancelled. So I have this 1 plus e v square upon 2v e v square. So this is y dv by dy. So I can write this as 2v e v square upon 1 plus e v square dv is equal to dy by y. Correct. So one can correct all these things when we have the notions, particularly with the concepts. So there was a printing mistake, but you can always correct it, as I have corrected it over here. And I am sure this is how you need to go. So if I put 1 plus e to the power v square as equal to m, so this is your 2v ev square dv is equal to dm. So this is integral of dm by m is equal to dy by y. So this is your log of 1 plus ev square is equal to log of y, okay, plus some log of c. So I can write this 1 plus ev square is equal to cy, and this can be written as 1 plus e, and this is your x to the power y ka whole square is equal to cy. So this is my answer. This is my answer. So even in your examination, sometime there are printing mistakes, and it has happened in the recent past also. If your concepts are robust, you can not without wasting time, you can be confident and correct and move ahead and save your time, as I did. Pen and paper when you are doing mathematics, because that's the traditional way of doing it. So with this, we are going to tell you that this is completely free of cost initiative. In online mode, we are giving you merely one question, but that's also gives you ticking. And in offline mode, we are providing you 5 questions. You come at our center between 6 and 7 at 47 ground floor, Old Rajendra Nagar, near Batra Medical, New Delhi. And you can also reach out to us on our website aryabhataashram.com. You can contact us on the given links and the number below. Thank you.